Hi, I think you can see my name on my profile, right? Which part are you in India? Which part are you in India? Kerala. Okay, I am from Odisha. Right now I am talking with you. I think you are not from Kerala. Am I right? Really, are you Mallugai? Okay, then what do you do? Pardon? No, still I am doubting you. No, no, no. Your tone is not like a south part people. Your tone like a northern part people. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Then, how long have you been using this platform? What do you do? Okay. 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 Where are you working? Network engineering, engineering. Where are you working? In telecom department? Oh. Okay. Then, what's your qualification? Okay, that's why you are working in manufacturing company in network. Right? Wow. How long have you been working and where are you working? Okay, Kochi. I think Kochi means airport in Kerala, right? And capital of Kerala in Kochi or Trivandrum? Okay, okay. Okay, Kochi is a IT hub in there, right? IT hub. People they go there for their livelihood, right? And industrial city and smart city, big city in Kerala, in Kochi, right? No, I'm not from Kerala. I know little bit about Kerala. I know also in Kerala one person is there and who made metro, right? And I know also, I know also little bit illiterate zero in Kerala. Next thing, south part, no, northern part Kerala girls are so beautiful. Second thing I know, dowry system is so high in Kerala, and I know, yeah, and Kerala people after completing their graduation, they want to go to abroad and Gulf country, right? Yeah. I know about it. I'm interested to know about all state people, their food, their culture, their mindset. You Kerala people color complexion also different from other south part. You people, girls also and boys also, so tall and look beautiful. Boys are handsome and so tall, color complexion also brown, right? You look different from other people in South part, is it? Yeah. And I think Tamil state is Tamil Nadu is nearest from your state, right? Yeah, you people can understand also Tamil and Malayalam. Your native language Malayalam, but Tamil people also they can understand Malayalam. Malayalam people also can understand Tamil. Is it? Okay. South of all language difficult. Right. South part, all languages so difficult. We cannot pronounce, we cannot learn easily. It is a learnable language. Anyone can they try to learn, they can do. But it is so difficult, I think. If I hear about it, I feel so difficult. Right. Okay. How long have you been working in that company? Manufacturing company? 6 years. Wow. Within 6 years, did you get any promotion? Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. Then do you want to change your profession in future or do you like that profession? Okay. Then do you have any dress code? Oh wow. Then do you have any dress code? How do you go your office? Do you have dress code? Means you are working manufacturing company, then do you have dress code? Yeah? Uniform. Right, right. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Okay, they wear a formal. What they like, they wear, right? Okay, okay. And how do you go there? Your, I don't do anything. Yeah, I have completed my graduation. BSc. Yeah, yeah. I told you because how do you go your company? Company has any kind of travel bus or something? Okay, okay. Okay, you have a one car, then you go by your car, right? You don't take help from company bus, right? Okay, do you hire any driver or you drive self? Okay, that's good. But right? Yeah. Then you tell how far from your office to your residence? Oh, it is so near, right? It is so near. Okay, then your state people work in there or different state people also working there in that manufacturing company? Okay, okay, all are Malur. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, I got your point. All official personnel, they are from Malugai, they are from Kerala, or all skillful worker, they are from different state within India. Is it? Or okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. You're only Kerala people working there. Okay. Mm-hmm. Because your company get a well-educated people in each state, right? Your state. That's why he doesn't want to hire in different state people, right? Because you are in there. That's why. Otherwise, okay. Hmm. Okay. Then that product export also and import also. Okay. Where import. Okay. Okay. Then do you talk with your colleagues, your boss, or your team leader in English inside your company? Mm. Okay. 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 But you people don't talk each other in English. You people speak your mother tongue Malayalam. Okay. No one can speak English, right? Inside that company. Okay, okay. I got your point. If necessary, then they make you understand and they speak in English. Otherwise, they make you understand in your mother tongue, Malayalam, right? Yeah. I got your point because all employee and official personnel all are from Kerala. Then definitely you people speak each other your mother tongue. No need to speak in English. Right, right. It requires if your colleagues belongs to different state and they cannot understand your mother tongue, that time you people can communicate with them in English, right? But right now everyone belongs to in Kerala. Then no need to speak with anyone in English. Yeah. Then do you use regularly in this platform or you are a uh, okay? Mm-hmm. Then regularly using from 1 month since 1 month, right? Okay, that's good. Then how do you feel right now? Means if you connect with anyone, then you feel are you improving or it required in different technique to improve? Okay, right. Because if we talk with someone in English, then definitely consciously, unconsciously, we increase our fluency and confidence, right? We cannot evaluate, but if we get any situation and automatic we speak English in front of that person, that's when we evaluate, right? Okay, I practice lots, that's why right now I can speak in front of that person. Small sentence or long sentence doesn't matter, but our mouth provides sentence in front of anyone in English, right? If you talk with anyone regularly English, then if you talk with anyone your mother tongue, then definitely you use Small sentence while talking with others in English. That is a habit, right? And that scenario comes if you do practice regularly and if you speak with anyone English, then it happens, right? Yeah. Are you, pardon? I am from Odisha. Odisha, have you heard about Odisha? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm from Odisha. No, that is, 2011. Before 2011, we had to write Oriya in English and Odisha in Odia, my mother tongue. After 2011, my government announced to write both English in and Odia language in Odisha, not Orissa and Odisha. Both English also we write in Odisha and we speak also in our mother tongue in Odisha. Then right now you don't speak Oriya, you speak Odisha. Okay, got it? Yeah, yeah, that's why. Before it was. Yeah, I live in joint family and seven members in my family. Yeah.